Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a nail polish declutter. Whoop whoop! I'll link my last one I did and the one before that and all that fun stuff. And the reason I'm doing this today is because I need more space in my drawer in the bathroom. So I'm going to be cleaning these out because, to be honest, I haven't worn nail polish in like months. So if I hardly ever wear it, is there really the necessity to keep all of these? No, definitely not. And my collection has not grown that much since the last time I filmed. Basically, all of these were my last declutter. So we'll pretty much know if I really enjoyed them or not. I think I maybe got like 2 or 3 new polishes. But other than that, it's been pretty much the same. So let's just dive right in. And both of my hands are not painted because I'm going to actually put some of them on to decide if I really truly want them. So let's just jump right into this video. First off, this is, well, if it zooms in, you'll be able to see. There we go. So this is the LA Colors Color Craze nail polish. And I don't know where the shade name is, but it's the all black one. And this is a staple in any collection, so I will be keeping it because I do not have any other black polishes. And this is my base coat, and this is a top coat, so we're going to keep those. Then this is my signature OPI Basic White Girl Stark White Polish. This is the shade Alpine Snow. The cap might be stuck, so let's hold on and see the situation right here, if I can even get this open. So 5 minutes later and this cap has not budged, so I'm going to try to see if I can get a multi-tool and like try to pry it off, or like get somebody with actual arm strength to see if they can open this. So we'll see what happens to this one in a later video. I don't know. I probably won't update you, but you know, this is a maybe. So these are all of my Wet n Wild gel polishes, and this is condensed milk, and I'm definitely gonna keep that. You can't read that, but probably after filming this video, I actually might paint my nails, and I'll probably paint them this color because it's such a pretty shade. This one is Stay Classy. It's like a purpley taupey color, which I love, and I'm also keeping. Then this is Left Maroon, and like in the name, it is a maroon color, and I love this as well, so I'm keeping that. It's beautiful in the fall. And then this one is Crime of Passion, and I'm kind of on the fence about this because I think, if I remember correctly, I've only worn it once, and I'm going to try to see if I prefer that or this Ulta one in the shade Let the Flames Begin. So I'm going to paint 2 of my nails real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are 2 freshly painted nails. Probably not the best 2 nails I could have picked to compare them, but this is both after 1 coat. This is the Wet n Wild one. Wow, this does not focus at all. So there's that one, and then there's this one, and to be honest, they almost look identical. This looks maybe a smidge darker, and this might be more like a hint of orange tone to it. Maybe not, and the other one's more of like a pink. I don't know, honestly. So at this point, since they're both virtually the same, I know I don't need to keep both of them. It's just a matter of which one do I keep. And if I do that, you know, little finger touch thing, it looks like the Wet n Wild one is still hasn't fully dried yet, and the Ulta one has dried. So since that dried faster, I probably am going to keep the Ulta one and get rid of my Wet n Wild one, sadly, because I do really love the formula. So I'm going to keep the Ulta one, and I'm sadly going to part with this one, even though it's a gel. I don't know if that means it's a sign to keep it since it's gel. You know, it might last longer, who knows, but I mean, like, honestly, they all chip in one day, so it doesn't really matter. and I'm sadly going to part with this one. So next up is this Sally Hansen Miracle Gel one, and this is the shade Truffle Shuffle, and I don't really remember the color, so I'm going to paint my nails real quick because it looks kind of like a almost like a poop color, you know what I'm saying? But this is what it looks like after one coat. I don't know how I feel about the color. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence. This might be, I'm going to put that in the maybe pile. Next up we have this little mini OPI nail polish, and it's like a purple color. I honestly don't know what it is, but I'm trying to shake it because it's kind of separated and liquidy. So I don't know if that means that it's expired or something. I'm going to paint my nail because honestly I don't ever remember using this color. So this is after one coat. It's kind of streaky in the middle right there. And that was a color I would have probably worn when I was like 12, 13. I don't wear colors like that anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. Next up we have this other OPI polish. It's like a glitter polish. You can't really see it, but it's got like, it's gray, silver with like specks of like purple, like almost, I think it's either iridescent or holographic. Probably holographic glitters. And I love this against like my black polish. I'm keeping it. This is a OPI Infinite Shine one, and this was an Icelandic collection. It's called Less is Norse. I love this. It's like a beautiful purple gray. I'm keeping it. Next up, this is a Essie polish, and it's the shade Turquoise and Caicos, and it's a pretty like mint shade, but it takes like 4 coats to reach this color. So I think I'm going to toss it. I'm going to paint my nail real quick though and let it be the judge. Yeah, y'all, that was, okay, so that's after one coat. It's, yeah, I'm going to get rid of it. So this is a Townley Girl polish. I don't know how I got this. And it's like a glittery one. I barely remember using this. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it because it doesn't look like something I'd wear. Next up is this Essie polish, and it's the shade Virgin Snow. It was like a limited edition winter collection one year. It's such a beautiful like white, purple, blue, like I don't know how to describe it, like it's like maybe periwinkle, I don't know. I'm gonna see if it's still good because it might be expired. This is another one that is going to have to meet a multi-tool because I cannot open it for the life of me. This is the Essie polish in the shade Tart Deco, and I love this coral. It's perfect for summer and I'm keeping it. Next up is this Essie polish in the shade Expose, and I got this fairly recently, so I'm going to keep it. Then this is another Townley Girl. It's like a dark green almost with like golden green glitters. I'm going to get rid of this as well because it doesn't look like it's up my alley. Then there's this Mary Kay at Play nail polish, and it's like a silver color. I'm gonna keep it because I can't remember what the glitter is. Actually, I'm gonna paint my nail. Hold on. I just painted this nail and I'm kind of down with that. So I'm gonna keep it. Next up is this Mary Kay at Play. It's a navy blue one, and this is the only like navy blue I have in my collection, so I'm gonna keep it. Only 3 left. So they're all Essie. This one is Ballet This one is Ballet Slipper. Keeping it. Queen wears it, so I'm gonna keep it. This one is the shade Worth the Wait. I don't remember this one. I'm gonna paint real quick. I just painted my nail, okay. And that was a lot, but I think it kind of washes me out, so I'm probably gonna get rid of this one. Next up, this is the shade Hubby for Dessert. I don't remember this one as well, so I'm gonna paint real quick. So I painted the first coat, and it's pretty sheer right now, but it doesn't look like it would wash me out, so I'm gonna keep it and one day use it and build up the color and see if I like it. These are the ones I'm getting rid of for now. I mean, that's not a lot, but it's still less than what I originally had, so I'll go with that. These are all the ones I'm definitely keeping. It looks significantly smaller, so I'm glad. But these are the maybe ones, so I'm gonna try to open these and see if they're still good. And if they are good, I'll keep them, and if not, I'm throwing them away, and then let me know what y'all think about this one. So anyways, that completes this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below, because I think nail polish declutters are one of the most viewed videos on my channel. And be sure to subscribe before you leave so you can watch more of these in the future. and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, and I'll link my makeup declutters too, because if you want to watch other declutters, I have tons of those as well.